रुझानों से कितना इत्तेफाक कांग्रेस पार्टी रखती है जो नंबर सामने आ रहे हैं?
ये सरकारी एग्जिट पोल हैं, ये नरेंद्र मोदी के एग्जिट पोल हैं। जनता ने भी एक एग्जिट पोल किया और उसका आंकड़ा 295 इंडिया के फेवर में आ रहा है। ये साइंटिफिक तरीके से जो हमारी मीटिंग यहाँ पर चली, हमारा हर एलआई वहां पे प्रेजेंट था, उन्होंने आंकड़े लिखकर कौन कौन सी सीट है, कितनी मार्जिन से भी जीत सकते हैं, इस पर भी चर्चा हुई। तो मेरा अपना मानना है कि सब घटक दलों के नेता यहाँ पर थे, शीर्ष नेतृत्व के लोग थे, उन लोगों ने उस पर चर्चा करी। बड़ा साइंटिफिक तरीके से हम लोगों को अंदाजा है कि हम कितनी सीटें जीत रहे हैं। 295 से एक सीट कम नहीं होगी, ये वृहद परिवार अभी बढ़ेगा ही। और तो मुझे लगता है जनता के एग्जिट पोल में और सरकारी एग्जिट पोल जो टीवी पर दिखाकर झुंझुना चलाया जा रहा है, उसमें बहुत अंतर है।
How do you see the exit polls coming in and how Congress party believe in
The exit polls that you are seeing on the television this evening, or what you're going to be seeing all evening today, is actually an exit poll that was conducted, done to please Mr. Modi. This is a government exit poll. There is an exit poll that the people of this country have done, and that exit poll, which will reflect the voice of the people of India, gives us 295 seats. That number is only going to go upwards. We sat with our allies. Each one of them spoke. We have a fair sense of where are we gaining, how many seats, and in which states. That's the kind of scientific exercise that we just did here.
Ma'am, since you have been a journalist also, then this is a pertinent question to ask from you. That what is the scientific base you have taken up while preparing this survey, this number of figure of 295 plus, and your allies?
I have been a journalist, but I'm also a politician, and I can tell you one thing: my background is of electoral politics. I have seen people contest elections, and I can tell you one thing: nobody knows the election more than the candidates and the leaders of any party. And if political leaders are giving you that figure, they have their finger on the pulse. They know exactly when they're winning and when they're losing. We can tell you that when we sat in that room, each one had come prepared. The agenda was already laid out. Each one had come prepared. They were giving us projections. They were even telling us which are the seats they are winning. So yes, I've been a journalist. I have some understanding of psephology, but I'm a politician, and I can tell you nobody knows the seats or the political position better than a politician does.
During the campaign, it was said by the Congress party itself that दक्षिण में साफ और उत्तर में हार. So is it going to get down on the ground also?
साउथ में साफ, नॉर्थ में हाफ, ये हमारा नारा था, और इस नारे से ज्यादा ही हो गया है। ये असलियत है। असलियत ये है कि साउथ में खाता नहीं खुलने वाला है, और नॉर्थ में जो स्टेट्स हैं वहां पर भगाया जा रहा है बीजेपी के कैंडिडेट्स को।